is about easy art ideas for kids. Let's get into the video. Let's start. Take a paper with tongue picture or drawing. Tie some words together. Dip it in the paint and trace around the tree. Our tree is ready. Birds are cherry blossom. Now paint some pinky color as we did earlier. Also paint some flowers under the tree for more details. Abstract painting. It is a very easy one. Randomly stick some cello tape here and there in the paper. Make sure that the cello tape is less sticky. Paint whatever color you like in different boxes. Carefully peel off the sellotape. Our abstract art is ready. Forecast. Dip a fork in the paint. Press it with the paper to create some flowers. From patterns to dog stems and finish it. Here is our fourth art. Art. Kids will love to play with clay using fingers. Just Just dip your finger in the paint and make some impressions over the tree. We will get beautiful pictures. Scribbling is an art. Each kid's art is a masterpiece. Frame your masterpieces and hang it in your wall. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next video. Bye.